Bible says, there is a time to be young and a time to be old. There is a time when you're healthy, in top shape, and you are wobbling now. Yung mga politiko, they cannot, you cannot instill what? Despair, fear of losing because of my health issue. God, I'd read you the Ecclesiastes 3. There's always a time. A time when I was young, I traveled the entire length and breadth of the country. Trabaho hanggang, ako lang kami lang. A few of us who made it, yung mga big bike. Some were killed on the way. Disgrasya, nahulog. But it's really an adventure of a lifetime. And I made it when I was a little bit younger. Kuha ko ng lahat ng fame. Kasawa na, I have enough accolades, I said, to last me a lifetime. Bakit pa ako magpahirap sa sarili ko? I've been to Malacanang. People inside there are miserable. And even President